Got an AFH file from an Android development download? This relates to file downloads from the Android File Host service. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to handle these Android File Host download files. Near the end, we'll discuss the essential features of a professional-grade AFH file inspection tool that supports hundreds of other formats as well. A user encounters an AFH file when using the Android File Host AFH service, a popular repository for Android custom ROMs and modifications. This file acts as a download manager or metadata container, helping the AFH downloader utility manage and resume large file transfers from their servers. The AFH file is a proprietary binary data container. It likely stores essential metadata such as the source URL file hash for integrity checks, download progress, and local file path. This design allows the downloader application to pause and resume downloads reliably without losing state information. For full accurate reading of AFH data, rely on AFH Downloader by Android File Host. Windows might mistakenly flag the file as corrupt without specialized context. Windows shows only surface-level details, while complete interpretation requires the intended application. Your first troubleshooting move, right-click your AFH file and select Open With. See if AFH Downloader is available and test it. If it is not visible, select a different program. Testing multiple openers is standard practice. If the AFH file won't open, don't panic. If you've reached this stage, the problem is deep. We are going to perform 3 quick tests targeting the most common failure points. First, renaming to actual format. Many AFH files are actually ZIP IMG or other Android files with incorrect or partial extensions. Examine the file with a hex editor or 7-zip to identify the underlying format. Rename to the correct extension like .zip, .img.tar, or .apk based on actual content for proper handling with appropriate Android development tools. Next, resuming incomplete downloads. If the AFH file represents an incomplete download, return to androidfilehost.com and resume or restart the download. Use a robust download manager like JDownloader or Internet Download Manager to handle large Android development files reliably. Ensure complete downloads before attempting to use Android resources to prevent installation failures. Finally, verifying file integrity. After downloading, verify file integrity using MD5 or SHA-256 checksums provided on the Android File Host page. Calculate the checksum of your downloaded file and compare with the published value. Matching checksums confirm complete uncorrupted downloads before flashing to Android devices, preventing potential bricking from incomplete or corrupted files. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagick. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagick.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.